Growing strawberries can be a rewarding experience, both for the heart and the palate. These vibrant red berries with their sweet, juicy flavor are a favorite among many, and cultivating them can be a delightful endeavor. However, to ensure a successful harvest, there are several important tips and techniques to consider. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice, these insights will help you navigate the journey of strawberry cultivation. First and foremost, selecting the right variety of strawberries is crucial. Strawberries come in several types, each suited for different climates and growing conditions. June-bearing strawberries produce a single, large harvest in late spring to early summer, making them ideal for those who want a bountiful crop at once. Ever-bearing strawberries, on the other hand, provide smaller harvests throughout the growing season, which can be perfect for gardeners who prefer a steady supply of fresh berries. Day-neutral varieties offer an extended harvest period, producing fruit from spring until the first frost. Evaluating your local climate and your personal preferences will guide you in choosing the best variety for your garden. Once you have selected your strawberry variety, the next step is to prepare the soil. Strawberries thrive in well-draining, loamy soil rich in organic matter. Before planting, it's wise to test your soil's pH level. Strawberries prefer a slightly acidic pH, ideally between 5.5 and 6.8. If your soil is too alkaline, you can amend it with sulfur or composted materials to lower the pH. Additionally, incorporating well-rotted manure or compost into the soil will enhance its nutrient content, promoting healthy plant growth. Aim to till the soil to a depth of about 12 inches, ensuring it is loose and aerated, which allows the roots to establish themselves effectively. Timing is also an essential factor in successful strawberry cultivation. Planting strawberries in early spring, after the last frost, gives them ample time to establish roots before the heat of summer sets in. However, in warmer climates, planting in the fall can yield excellent results as the plants can settle in and prepare for a robust growth cycle come spring. Whichever season you choose, make sure to space your plants adequately, typically around 12 to 18 inches apart, to allow for proper air circulation and sunlight exposure. Watering is another critical component of strawberry cultivation. Strawberries require consistent moisture, especially during the fruiting stage. However, it's important to strike a balance. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can stress the plants and reduce fruit quality. A general rule of thumb is to provide about 1 inch of water per week, either through rainfall or irrigation. Drip irrigation systems can be particularly effective as they deliver water directly to the roots while minimizing moisture on the leaves, thus reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Mulching is an invaluable technique for growing strawberries. Applying a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or wood chips, around the plants helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. This practice not only reduces competition from weeds, but also creates a more favorable environment for the strawberries to thrive. Additionally, mulch prevents soil from splashing onto the fruit, which can help reduce the chances of rot and disease. As the plants grow, it's essential to monitor for pests and diseases. Strawberries can be susceptible to a variety of issues, including aphids, spider mites, and fungal infections like powdery mildew. Regularly inspecting your plants and taking action at the first sign of trouble can save your harvest. Natural pest control methods, such as introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs or using organic pesticides, can help manage pest populations without harming the environment. Additionally, practicing crop rotation and avoiding planting strawberries in the same spot for consecutive years can help prevent the buildup of soil-borne diseases. Fertilization is another key aspect of strawberry care. Strawberries benefit from a balanced fertilizer that provides essential nutrients, particularly nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Applying a slow-release fertilizer in early spring can give your plants a healthy boost as they begin to grow. As the plants flower and set fruit, a higher potassium formulation can promote larger, sweeter berries. However, be cautious not to over-fertilize, as this can lead to excessive leaf growth at the expense of fruit production. Pruning is often overlooked, but is an important practice for maximizing strawberry yields. Removing the runners or stolons that develop from the mother plant can help direct the plant's energy into producing fruit instead of new plants. While some gardeners may choose to allow a few runners to establish new plants, controlling their growth can lead to a more fruitful harvest from the original plant. Additionally, once the fruiting season is over, trimming away dead or diseased leaves can help maintain plant health and encourage new growth. As the harvest approaches, patience is key. Strawberries do not all ripen at the same time. Monitoring the color and size of the berries is essential. They should be fully red and plump before being picked. Harvesting too early can result in sour fruit, while waiting too long can lead to overripe berries that are prone to rot. Gently twist or cut the berries from the plant, taking care not to damage the stems or surrounding fruit. Finally, enjoying the fruits of your labor is perhaps the most rewarding aspect of growing strawberries. Whether you choose to eat them fresh, bake them into pies, or preserve them as jam, the taste of homegrown strawberries is unparalleled. Sharing your harvest with friends and family can also be a delightful experience, creating cherished memories around the table. In conclusion, growing strawberries is a journey filled with learning and joy. By selecting the right variety, preparing the soil, watering effectively, mulching, monitoring for pests, fertilizing appropriately, pruning, and harvesting at the right time, you can set the stage for a bountiful strawberry harvest. With patience and care, your garden can flourish, offering you a sweet reward that is truly worth the effort. Embrace the process, and soon you'll find yourself enjoying the luscious taste of strawberries, fresh from your own garden.